Hello my friends, welcome to Inside Out Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha and today I have something I picked up in Ikea in as is section. Turned out to be an as is. You can get also tools. It says showroom model. Oh well, whatever. So I got it for $5.50 instead of $7.99. And this is set of 6mm screwdriver bits and some drill bits. Okay, let's take a look what we got here. Also, it was another set of these for the same money, $5.50, and I thought this is actually a good deal for $5.50, which is a set of screwdriver bits, but the smaller size. I have one already, and I think this is pretty cool. For this amount of money, you never can go wrong. Okay, let's just open and take a look what we have. Okay, so this is obviously very handy and nice tool set. Okay, so we have it's a bit greasy as I understand, and there is a magnetized the adapter, so that's you put in your drill, and then these guys just snap in like here. So we have 2 flat, 3 flat, 3, 4 and 6. We have 3 positive / Phillips, these guys. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3, and then we have 4 different kinds of hex. Okay, and 3, 4, 5 and 6. The magnet. Wait. Oh, I think the places where they are, it's actually magnetic. That's pretty cool. So it just stays there. This guy is just, and then we have 5. Actually, the most of them are Torx. Torx are cool. I like Torx. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Those are all Torx. Quality of machining is okay. I don't have a magnifier to actually show you up close, but I can do this. Okay, so let's see the quality of the machining. Let's take the smaller Torx. So, I mean, you don't expect much for like $6, 6 Canadian dollars, so seems to be okay. But what also caught my attention here, okay, I have plenty of this kind of bits, but what I don't have much is this. So these are obviously drill bits, but you know what's interesting about it? It says high-speed steel HSS. They are metric 3, 8, 6 and 5mm drill bits. So this is quite important because here in North America, in Canada specifically, finding metric drill bits is a bit of a problem. So just for these 4, it's already kind of worth paying, especially, you know, $5. I think that's my opinion. It's totally worth. They are kind of greasy, so it's like it's some kind of, they feel greasy. I have to wash my hands after this, but that's good because they not be rusty. It's fairly sharp. Not the best machining, I would say, for drill bits, but I mean for general hole making that should be good. I'm not sure if this is good for metal, but having the set, oh yeah, look at the quality here, not the best. Let me show you. Alright, just the fact that it includes 4 metric drill bits is already make me happy. This is bonus, but not necessarily bonus. I have plenty of these guys. So definitely this is gonna have a good use, but for $5.50 Canadian dollars, I think it's a good find, and even $7 or $8, whatever it costs, will be still pretty good. So guys, if you see it for cheap, please buy. It's gonna be handy in your toolbox. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, stay safe, and ciao.